Hi, this video demonstrates how to complete exercise 2. In this exercise, we're going to use a X and Y diagram, and as you can see, some of the dots here are turned off. Those turn off points is coming with the number you indicate here. So we're going to make X and Y, which 10 in 10, we need 100X, 100Y, and third column is show how many of them need to be on or off based on this number. And in Y, we're gonna add 5 to not dot get in top of each other, means is that we give a 5 points distance between them. Let's start it. So because it's used formula is not required by you to write it down, is available, you just copy and paste it here. So stick to the right cell numbers. On A1 I'm gonna write number of the icons highlighted. So I'm going to my Excel, A1, the number of icons highlighted, and then on C1 I'm gonna write 81. C1 is here. All right, 81, and then on A3X Y highlighted, A3 x-axis, Y, and highlighted. All right, for X we need 10 times 10 to make 100 point. 1, 2, 3. I have gave pattern and I drag it down 10. I copy it, Control C here, paste it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I got 100x point. For Y, according to procedure, I have to start with number 3 10 times, then added 5 any single time. So 3, 3, pattern, select, drag it down 10 times. Next 10 plus 5, gonna be 8. And drag it down 10 times. Match it with that number 10 here. Next one is gonna be 13. Next one, plus 5, gonna be 18. 10 times. Plus 5, gonna be 23. Gonna be 28. Gonna be 33. Gonna be 38. Gonna be 43. And last one gonna be 48. I'm adding 5 every 10. Here we got 10 100 times X, 100 times Y. Highlighted one means is that how many of those dot point we need be turned on or off. We write in a formula to turn them on or off. What's the formula? Formula also is provided here, which on C4 you write that formula. You're not making, we went through all of that. Before that I write the formula here, so exactly it is in procedure, copy, and I paste it on C4. So you need to hand type it here in formula bar and enter. After that I select that one and I drag it down 100 times till 1003. As you can see, based on that number, is going to be those numbers repeated or not. Let's make it 95. As we can see, 5 of them, they are NA, and 95 going to be repeated. I'll put it on 50. Half of them NA, half of them repeated. Now I'm gonna make the chart. For chart we need just X and Y, but because I'm gonna add the highlighted one, I select all the 3 columns that I created till end, which is 1003. Then I'm coming, make sure you bring your come up because it's gonna pop your chart here. Insert selected chart, and on X and Y click, and this one. Here we go. Our chart is created with 100 point, 50 of them on, 50 off. Let's carry on. So because this is percentage of the people they use fast food, I'm gonna change those dot point by a shape of the something more related, like something like burger, as a procedure explained. To make the burger, I'm coming to insert illustration or shape, click, and I'm going to the shapes, or you could have just shape here, select, and I'm going to select that oval. Then I'm making up, I just forgot something. I'm going to insert shape, and I select according to procedure this circle. Make sure you draw it from the line, means is that that line need to be exactly adjust on a line. Here you see the line is assigned with that one because we're gonna make it half. After that I click that one, I get that handle if you want to adjust it, and I'm going to grab that orange one and drag it to make a half circle. As you can see, it's aligned carefully on that line. Okay, that is button of my burger. I selected, Control C, Control V. I've got the second one. Oops, delete, Control C, Control V, and I'll put it in top, and I twist it. Okay, now I need patty inside. Again, I'm going to insert, and I'm going to illustration, shapes, and I'm going to take that one. All right, and okay, and down. Okay, okay, make it a little bit more like burger. This is too big outside. All right, adjustment done. So what procedure as I just jump a lot, but we done that one, done. We create the chart, and here shapes, done that one. So I have to fill the colors with brown, just 2 bones. Go and select them, means is I just select those 2 items, right click, and I fill it with brown. Yep. All right, what's next? Shape, and yeah, the middle one also brown. Done. Now there are 3 different objects, means is that I can move every of them separately. Yep. So what I'm doing, I'm going to select all of them, click, control down, click, second option, third option. So I select all 3 objects by pressing control down, right click, and group, means that I make a single object. Now we want 2 color for on and off. Select, copy, paste, I have two of them. One of them I'm going to select it and fill it by this one. All right, so those are too big. I'm gonna make them smaller. I select both of them by pressing Ctrl down, select it. Now I'm going to resize them to make it slightly smaller. Done. Now I'm going to replace that one. So select it, Ctrl C, click on any brown dot and Ctrl V, replace it. I'm going to replace the gray one with that color. Select, Ctrl C, click on any button color and Ctrl V. Yep, so as you can see, overlap it. So I select and I adjust my table. Okay, there are some more adjustment here in procedure asks you to do, including border, no line. Let's do those one also. So it said here, as soon as you did it, you have to get rid of chart title and grading. I'm going to do that one. Select this plus sign. We don't want access, we don't want grading, we don't want legend. Okay, I don't need that one here. All right, and I need to change the chart title to percentage of the people eating takeaway meals once a month. So that's the chart title. I double click and I name it according percentage of students, slightly right different, eat fast food, but you follow procedure. But also we done all of those one, done, and we replace it here, we replace it, yep, we replace it here, done, we change the title. Okay, those one you need to do follow it, and access, yep, we change the title. And now let's try if it works. So I'm gonna go give in a standard 55 and click. Yeah, as you can see, just 5 of them turning on and rest are off, or other way around. 90 enter. As you see, 90 of them they are brown, 10 gray. So that's all for this exercise. I hope you learned, and that's it. Have a good day. Bye.